Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we have a 2007 Bentley in the shop. A key factor about this Bentley, it is convertible. So if you're not familiar with convertible, it's like any other fabric, either on your interior or on your exterior. Fabric can tear, discolor, or damage by the UV rays. So today I'll be treating it to Convertible Top Cleaner to remove any dust, fingerprints, or debris off the fabric. And after that, I'll be treating it to HydroThread. Let's get started. To begin the process, we're gonna start off by cleaning it. Whenever you're working with any fabric, whether it's interior or on this soft top, you always need to prepare it while using a cleaner. Today I'll be using Convertible Top Cleaner. Convertible Top Cleaner is a gentle cleaner that's going to work amazing on this fabric, but is going to be very, very tough on stains. So all you need to do is just spray it on. And we just pulled it out of the garage, guys. So always make sure that the area you're working on is very cool. So I'll spray some onto my convertible top horsehair brush and I'll just rub it back and forth. Good thing about this convertible top, it is garage kept, but you need to keep in mind, over time, you need to constantly keep it maintenance to probably maintain its original sheen. So just spray a little bit more, and just scrub it. So we just finished cleaning up the soft top on this Bentley. Now it is time to add some type of protection. And today I'll be using HydroThread. So HydroThread, it's a ceramic stain protectant that is going to work on all fabric surfaces. So shake it up before using it. I'll finally mist it on the area I am working on. And remember, a little bit goes a very long way. Just mist it on here. And then you're gonna use a soft premium brush to work it in. This is going to help penetrate it into the fibers of the fabric you are working on. And over 24 hours, the hydrophobic properties are gonna go ahead and get more and more intense. You could also apply 2 coats, just let 20 minutes to pass in between and come back and reapply a second when it's desired. So now that I applied it, I will let it dry. And I'll come back in 20 minutes to reapply a second coat. Meanwhile, we let that side dry up. I already had coated this side. So I will show you guys how crazy the hydrophobic properties are of HydroThread. If I grab my cup of water, spill it on there, nothing sticks on it. You guys just need to see, it rolls right off. It's going to allow me to get a towel and come back and remove it. Look at that. I'll follow the water and then nothing sticks. And don't forget guys, this can also be applied on all types of fabric, which is your carpet, your seats, your office seats, your couches. If you're clumsy like me, make sure to ceramic coat it up with HydroThread. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below on future videos you want to see, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.